Good morning, students. The topic of our video is articles, and it has been taken from your English grammar book. It is chapter 5. Have you ever heard about articles? Yes, you have done it in class 1, but you have done only 2 articles in class 1, and those were A and N. Now we will do 3 articles A and the, as there are 3 articles A and the. Now let's start doing it. Open page number 26 of your English grammar book. Let's start reading. When we talk about one person, animal, place or thing, we use the article a or an. क्या कह रहे हैं ये कि नाउन, जब सिंगुलर नाउन होता है, उसकी बात होती है, तो उससे पहले क्या लगता है? ए एंड एन लगता है. वी यूज ए बिफोर नाउन्स दैट begins with consonants. Do you know what are consonants? Yes, we have 26 letters in our alphabet. 5 are vowels, that are A, E, I, O, U, and the rest are consonants. Okay. So they have given some examples. A cherry, a mouse. We use an before nouns that begin with vowels A, E, I, O, U. For example, an orange, an umbrella. There is some exercise for you. Circle 6 words in the word search. Write them in the correct clouds. That is already done for you. Duck and ant. And you have to find out 4. I have already find out egg, nest, fruit and uncle. This one, uncle. Okay. So I have written nest and fruit here, egg and uncle here. Okay. As we are doing articles today, there are A and the. 3 articles. 2 articles, those are A and N are indefinite, and the is a definite articles. Okay. I have written here 3 articles used before nouns and sometimes adjectives. कई बार adjectives से पहले भी A and the use हो सकता है. जैसे for example, Raj is a good boy. Good is an adjective, तो good से पहले a आया, that is why. Okay. So A and N. A and N used with indefinite nouns. जो definite नहीं होता, उनके बारे में इतना confirm नहीं होता, those are called indefinite nouns. And the nouns mentioned first time, जिस noun के बारे में, चाहे वो नेम हो पर्सन का, प्लेस, एनिमल, थिंग, अगर उसके बारे में पहली बार बात हो रही है, तो वी विल यूज ए एंड एन बिफोर दैट नाउन. ओके. A used before the words begin with consonants. Now, which are consonants? B, C, D, F, G, H, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. And these are 21. Okay. Now, for examples, a bus. B is a consonant. A car, a doll, a fan, a jug, a monkey, a pen, a soap, a toy, a watch. अगर हमें बताना हो तो that is A. While speaking we will use a bus, a car. Okay. Use of an. We use an with the word which words begin with vowels and silent H. Vowels are A, E, I, O, U. Now for examples, an ant, an aeroplane, an egg, an engine, an igloo, an ice cream, an old man, an oven, an umbrella, an urn, an R. H is silent here. Okay. An honest boy. Honest nahi, honest. H is silent here. And an X-ray. As X से पहले ए की साउंड आ रही है, that is why an X-ray. Okay. As you can see, these words have been begun with A, E, I, O, U vowels. Okay. Now use of the. Article the. Used with definite nouns. जिनके बारे में confirm होता है, those are called definite nouns. Nouns mentioned second time. जिस noun के बारे में पहले से बात हो चुकी होती है, उसे सेकेंड टाइम बात की जाती है, उससे पहले भी द आता है. ओनली और वन एग्जिस्ट, जो अपने आप में एक ही है, उससे उसके आगे भी द आता है. जैसे सन एक ही है, मून एक ही है, अर्थ इज ओनली वन, दैट इज वाई. विथ सम प्रॉपर नाउन्स, सभी प्रॉपर नाउन्स के आगे नहीं आता, सम प्रॉपर नाउन्स के पहले द लगता है. और किसके आगे लगता है? नेम्स ऑफ ocean and seas, rivers, buildings, monuments, books, newspaper, ordinal numbers, sun, moon, earth, hotel and restaurants, and superlative degrees. Now see some examples. The Indian Ocean, name of a ocean. The Arabian Sea, name of a sea. The Ganga, Ganga is a name of a river. The Red Fort, Red Fort is a name of a building, monument. It is situated in Delhi. The sun, as it is only a one. The earth, E से start हो रहा है vowel से, but the लगेगा, only exist one. The moon, the Bible, it is a name of a book, holy book of Christians. The Hindustan Times, it's a name of the newspaper. Okay, this way you can do articles A and the. So dear children, you have to do all this in your English notebook and you have to practice all this. Thank you.